Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Altima 2021 model. This car have a problem, compressor not working, AC not working. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem, why this AC not working in this car. Okay, I'll explain you everything. So first of all, we check with our diagnosis tool why this AC not working, what is the fault actually. Okay, go with HVAC system and check the fault code, read code. Here is you can see fault code, sun load sensor 20p FRE door fault, record door fault. So main fault is ambient temperature sensor. See, this is the main fault, B257C. Okay, so we check in live data, outside temperature sensor working or not. Here you can see ambient temperature sensor -22. If ambient temperature sensor -22, then this car AC not working. That means somewhere fault in ambient temperature sensor, or I think wiring or sensor damage. Now I will show you. So switch off, then check ambient temperature sensor. So here is the ambient temperature sensor location, front left side, but I didn't see inside temperature sensor. I don't know where is this wire. This is the location, it came here. So now I check in downside, wiring, here is the temperature, outside temperature sensor wire. I see, I think when he drive car sometimes it's damaged, or where is the sensor, I don't know. So sensor is not there. Okay, that's the problem. That's why ambient temperature sensor is minus. So now I fix one ambient temperature sensor and check. Here you can see I have a new ambient temperature sensor, new one. Fix it in car and check. See, I fix it this one with like this, because this is not original one, this is new one, but another car. Fix it like this, and now check in car. Ignition on, then check ambient temperature sensor fee before minus, now 59. That means now it's working. So now I start car and check. First reset fault code successfully, and then start car. Okay, turn on AC and check outside. Here you can see now AC is working. Great success. Before not working, now it's working perfectly. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe my channel. So I'll give you like informative video, car fault and everything. Okay, thank you.